Hello everyone, I hope you're feeling fine and dandy today. If not so, I'm sure you will in 15 minutes time after this body weight arm routine. You can join me on the floor so you can get ready there. No equipment needed for this body weight workout. We'll warm up and then we're going to have lots of supersets into your triceps, a little bit into your shoulders. You'll feel fantastic. Modify, take breaks if you need, but it will be over before you know it. Thanks for joining me. Let's bring the energy nice and high and get moving. Okay ladies, if you're not already on the floor, join me down on the floor. You're on your knees, but you're lifted up. Those glutes are engaged, and we're going to start warming up our upper body. So I'd like you to take the arms up towards the ceiling. They're out towards the corners of the room. The palms are up. As you take an exhale, I want you to draw those elbows in towards the waist and extend the arms back up on the inhale. Let's take that single count. So we'll drop down and up. Breathe out and in. So that breath out is really helping with your core connection. Think of your belly button drawing in towards your spine as you're pulling the arms down. And we're just getting the arms nice and warm, getting those shoulders nice and warm. Really firing up to into the lats, which are the muscles that run down the sides of your back. So I want you to imagine every time you're pulling down, you're trying to pull these resistance bands down from the ceiling. I can feel my arms already. Join me at an even quicker pace, pulling down, down. We just want to get them nice and warm before we start to go into that heavier resistance work for 8 in 7. 4 more of these. In 3, let's slow it down once again. Pulling in, extend. Really don't need any equipment sometimes to feel strong, to feel sculpted. In 2, 1 more set of quick ones, off we go. We just have 8 in 7. 4 more of these. 3, 2, and release down. Give your shoulders a really nice roll back. We're going to come to all fours. So the hands are directly under the shoulders, your knees are directly under the hips. I want you to hinge the hips back. This is still part of our warm-up, so you're going towards a child's pose. And then come all the way forwards to all fours and slightly beyond. We take it back. We go back for 2, hinge for 2. Back, hinge. And then for your breath on this one, you're going to find that inhale as you go back, exhale as you lift. I always want you to think about pushing away from the floor every time you come up. So we've got that strong push away. Your last one. From your all fours position, tuck your toes, send those hips into a down dog. Okay, we're just going to drive those heels towards the floor, nice stretch through the back of the body. Think of your chest coming slightly closer towards your thighs. You take the right hand, you're going to tap it into the center, tap it back forwards, tap it center and forwards. Left hand taps center and then back forwards, center, and let's speed this up so it's right. It's tap, tap, left, right, and left. So you'll notice that kind of weight going into one shoulder, then the other. We go for 4 on each side. Back to your right and left. 2 more each side. Right, left, 1 more each side. Left, lower the knees all the way back down. Just press that left hand the opposite way. So your palms facing up towards you. Just a nice little rock to stretch through the forearm. Bring it back. Same on the right side. Nice little rock forwards and back. And then you can drop to your knees. Just give your wrists a nice little roll round. And we'll get going with our sequence. So if you can return to your all fours position, throughout this sequence, I want you to think of me pushing your glutes forwards. So you keep that weight forwards over the upper body. Screw the arms in so the inside of the elbow is pointing directly forwards. We then bend the elbows down to the knees and push up. It's an inhale to lower It's an exhale to lift. I'm really trying to push my entire hand down into the mat rather than just pressing the wrist down. So the pads of the fingers really push down into the mat as we start to feel that work in your triceps, in your shoulders. We take another 8. Down, down, up, up, down, and up. Oh, it's burning, guys. Are those glutes still forwards? Lower for 2, lift for 2. We have 3. Final 2 of these. This is your last one. And release. Quick transition. Bring yourself to the side. You're going to place your right hand down. It may look like it's my left. Again, rotate round from the shoulders so the inside of the elbows pointing to the side. You take the opposite hand on the hips. We bend down through the side of the body and push up. This is getting quite hard already because that tricep's just been worked. So let's keep it slow. You've got 4 more. Down, 2, lift, 2. Really keeping length through the sides of the body. Final 2, nice and slow. Let's add on. We came to challenge ourselves. We're going to drop halfway down. We find a mini pulse. Down, down. Think about your neck staying super lengthened. Just for 8, 7. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Spring all the way up. Let's swing on around. Find your all fours position once again. Now this is going to feel slightly different, right to left, because that right's really fatigued. Start from the very top. Glutes are pushing forward. Elbows bend down and press up. Inhale to lower. Exhale to lift. You may feel lots of tightness or a little bit of muscle fatigue in the back of that right arm, but really think of keeping that weight nice and even through both sides. In 2. Good, make this your last one at this tempo. This time we speed it up. We have 8, dropping down and up. Inhale down, exhale lift. You've got 4 to go. For 4, in 2, last one, and release. Let's swing around to the opposite side. Bring that left arm out so fingertips are forward. From the shoulder, rotate round so the inside of the elbows pointing to the side. We bring our hand to the hip. We drop down for 2 counts. Down and up. I might already be regretting the workout choices. Simple moves, but a good strategy to really superset those arms. I feel mine are shaking. A lower and a lift. Okay, we're gonna bring it down. We hold about that halfway point. Your neck stays lengthened. You find your tiny pulse. Down, down. You go for 8, 7, 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lifting all the way up. Let's continue round because we're only here for a short amount of time. I want you to go from your all fours to tuck your toes, pressing your hips in towards your down dog. Spreading the fingers wide. Take that right hand, tap it to the center. Tap it out to the right side. Tap it forwards, but it's just a nice tap. So we have 3 taps. It's gonna go right, forwards, center, right, forwards, center, right, forwards. Now you'll feel that work into the left side as you continue to move through. If you need a breather at any point, guys, you're welcome to take a breather. This is your last set on the right side. Center, right, forward, hold. Okay, one time nice and slow on the left. So take it to the center, to the left, reach it forwards, and speed it up. Center, left, forwards. Center, left, forwards. Center, left, forwards. Really, again, pushing away with that right arm from the floor. Quite a lot of core in this, guys. Center, left, forwards. Final 2 reps. This is your last one. Center, left, forwards. Bring it down. Open the knees. Hinge yourself to a child's pose. Let the arms just take a little walk over to one side, to the right side. Left hand is on top of the right. Feel the stretch through the side body. And then over to the opposite side. Okay, bringing yourself up. Our last little series. You guys did request triceps. Now we're going to sit on our glutes. Your knees and toes are forwards. You bring the hands back behind. We think of opening through the chest to avoid sinking down into the collarbone. Bend the elbows back behind, down, and then lift. Find that inhale as you lower, exhale as you lift. Okay, we're gonna take that tempo. You speed it up. We have 8, dropping down and up. 4 more of these. Then we take 1 more round. Okay, 1 more round. Take it down. Down for 2. Lift. Can you advance? Can you hover the hips up away from the floor? 2 more nice and slow. If you can't hover the hips off, keep them down. 8 single counts and lower. And lift for 7. 6. You guys are doing so good. It's burning me. In 3, 2, 1, and release all the way down. You can come and cross your legs. Take those arms in front, just pull them in towards your chest. Drop your chin down and then just spread, or not spread, sorry, reach the arms forwards. Think of separating into the backs of the shoulders. I just want you to continue to hold there for a quick moment, and we'll just take that music off. And then if you can bring yourself to a tricep stretch, you can kneel, you can sit, as we'll take one arm up, gently push on the back of the arm, or you may prefer a little pull. Try not to pull straight on the bone. So you've got a little bit of flesh there. And release down, and then same on the opposite side for me, team. I really hope that workout filled you with some kind of feel-good fuzziness and a buzz inside. You've definitely worked on your muscle strength, you've definitely worked on feeling good in your body, and I'm sure consequently your arms will tone up. Thank you so much for joining me today. And remember, if you want more workouts and you want longer workouts, you can join my new platform, Sweat With Sof. There's details below and there's links below to get there, as well as a promo code for the first month free. So make sure to check that out, and yeah, enjoy the rest of your day, and it was lovely to be here. Thank you, guys.